The thing is like especially on this ground and this wicket you have to bowl a little bit slower because the ground are very small and they are big hitters. So obviously with spinners you can't bowl a little fast, otherwise you will play as a medium pacer. So we always bowl like slow and depend on the situation. So sometimes we have to bowl fast, but we have to whenever we are bowling, me and Kuldeep, we have to read the situation and all, like how we go.
Yeah, eye-opening, definitely. But it's what's required at the top level to be better, and it's okay. It might just bring out the best in the squad, the approaches environment. Might bring some fight into the camp, and I'm looking forward to see how the guys react. If you speak to each individual in our top 6, top 7, each person has got a clear plan. So it obviously comes down to execution on the day. Like I said, there are 2 quality wrist spinners, and we give them credit. But I still think we can execute better, and that's the nice thing. It's not that something that's drastic that has to change. The plans are in place, and now we just got to keep working hard to execute, that's all.